In the world of e-commerce, page 2 is the best place to hide a dead body. But page 10? That is non-existence. To win, you must realize that search results aren't just lists. They are a battlefield where the weak are deleted. Knowing the name of your target is not enough. You must know their strength. We use keyword difficulty metrics, the Shinigami eyes, to see which rivals are vulnerable and which are too powerful to strike. Yet, to defeat a rival, you must become their shadow. We use SpyFu to download the entire history of Brand L, every ad they've run, every keyword they've bought, and every mistake they've made. Rankings are built on authority, the links that connect a brand to the world. We will use the Backlink gap tool to see who supports our rivals, and then we will take that support for ourselves. Content is the ink in the notebook. By using SEO content templates, we write the exact words that search engines demand. Every H1 tag is a stroke of the pen. Every keyword is a final judgment. A slow site is a dead site. We use Core Web Vitals to ensure our brand moves with Godspeed. While the rival's site lags under the weight of old code, we will strike with lightning efficiency. If you cannot outrank them organically today, you out-advertise them. We use SpyFu to see the exact ad copy Brand L has paid for. Then we write a counter ad that steals their traffic for half the price. The top of page 1 is no longer enough. We want position 0. By optimizing for featured snippets, we will answer the customer's question before they even finish typing. The world is big, but the sale is local. We use Semrush listing management to delete rivals from the local map. Every Google business profile is a territory to be conquered. The moment has arrived. The crawlers have processed the judgment. As we rise to position 1, Brand L falls into the abyss. The marketplace has been cleansed. One head is not enough. We want the whole body. We use keyword clustering to dominate every long-tail variation of our niche. We will answer every whisper of the customer. Traffic is just the beginning. The sale is the end. We use AI heat maps to ensure that once they land on our page, there is no exit, only the purchase. A god must be loved to be followed. We use sentiment analysis to monitor the world's voice. If a single negative whisper appears, we delete it with superior service. The war is over. Brand L has filed for bankruptcy. The SERPs belong to the apex runner. This is the world I have created, a world of visual and technical perfection. The death note for competitors is in your hands. Semrush, SpyFu, and your vision. Will you stay invisible on page 10, or will you delete your rivals and take your throne? Arise.